The question says that over a span of 2 weeks, John ate 20 pounds of chicken wings and 15 pounds of hot dogs. Kyle ate 20% more chicken wings and 40% more hot dogs. Considering only chicken wings and hot dogs, Kyle ate X% more food by weight than John. What is X? So here they're asking us to find out X, which is a percentage. It can be any of these options. So in order to find X, we need to first look at the data that we've been given. So it says that John ate 20 pounds of chicken wings and 15 pounds of hot dogs. So according to the question, John ate 20 plus 15, which is 35 pounds worth of meat. And Kyle ate 20% more chicken wings, 20% more chicken wings than John. That's what they're trying to say. So Kyle must have had 20, because it says 20% more, we add 20% of 20. So this gives us 20 plus 20 over 100 times 20. So we cancel out these and get 24 pounds of chicken wings. These are the pounds of chicken wings Kyle has had. 35 pounds is the total amount of meat John has had, which is what we're also going to find out for Kyle. Then Kyle has had 40% more hot dogs than John. So he must have had 15, which is what John has had, and since Kyle has had 40% more hot dogs, we're going to add 40% of 15 to it. So you see why I've taken 15. I've taken 15 because this is what John has had, and over this, Kyle has had 40% more. So he must have had 15 and then 40% more, which is what is the total amount of hot dogs Kyle must have had. So Kyle has had 15 plus 40 over 100 times 15. So we cancel these zeros. It's 2 times, it's 3 times, and then that's 2 times, so that's 6, so it's 21 pounds of hot dogs. So Kyle has had 24 pounds of chicken wings and 21 pounds of hot dogs, which means in total he's had 24 plus 21 pounds, which is equal to 45 pounds. And he's had 45 pounds worth of meat, and John has had 35 pounds worth of meat, which is essentially 20 pounds plus 15 pounds of meat that he's had. Now, it says that Kyle ate X% more food. So when you look at how much more Kyle has had, you can either subtract 45 from 35, you can either subtract these two numbers, or you could simply add up the percent more that Kyle has had. So the percent more of meat that Kyle has had will essentially be 4, because he's had 4 more pounds of chicken wings than John. John has had 20 pounds, Kyle has had 24 pounds, so that's 4 pounds more of chicken wings. And of hot dogs, he's had 6 more pounds. So 4 plus 6 is 10, and 45 minus 35 is also 10. So ultimately, he's had 10 more pounds of meat. So 10 over, because he's had 10 more over the original, which is 35, which is what John has had, we're going to put 35 in the denominator. And then because we want to find X, and X is a percentage, X is equal to 10 over 35 times 100. And when you do the arithmetic, when you do the calculations and stuff, this comes out to be approximately equal to 28.57%, which is approximately equal to 29%. I mean, it comes out to be equal to 28.57%, but we can approximate it to 29%. And yes, I've already done the calculations. So the answer is going to be C, 29%. And that's how we solve a question of percentage as simple as this. So the point that you have to remember is here we're trying to find out X, which is percent more of meat that Kyle has had over John.